Hi friends, welcome to the Modern Learning. Today we are going to learn how to write an essay. So let's get started. Although essays have never been a piece of cake in the first place, but after watching this video, it's gonna be a piece of cake for you. So let's get started. Let's first check out what is an essay. An essay is a short piece of writing representing one's side of the argument or one's experiences, stories, etc. The word essay comes from the Latin exegium, meaning the presentation of a case. Essay is a type of composition. Essays can be formal as well as informal depending on their types. Formal essays are generally academic in nature and tackle serious topics, whereas informal essays are more personal and often have humorous elements. There are broadly 4 types of essays. Let us see. Here we are with the types of essays. The first type is narrative essay. This is when the writer is narrating an incident or a story through the essay. The next type is descriptive essay. Here the writer will describe a place, an object, an event, or maybe even a memory. The third type is expository essay. In such an essay, a writer presents a balanced study of a topic. It is completely based on facts, statistics, examples, etc. The fourth type is persuasive essay. Here the purpose of the essay is to get the reader to your side of the argument. In today's video, we're going to learn expository essay writing. So let's check out. Parts of an essay. When writing an essay, it is essential to know its main parts. A typical essay in the English language consists of the introduction in 1 paragraph, main body in 3 paragraphs, and conclusion in 1 paragraph. So the first part of an essay is the introduction. Make sure that your introduction is interesting enough to hook the reader's attention. It should prepare your reader for what is to follow. It should be clear and not too lengthy. Now our today's sample essay is on the topic how the internet has changed everyday life. So check this out. The introduction must be in 1 paragraph. So here we go. The internet has turned our existence upside down. It has revolutionized communications to the extent that it is now our preferred medium of everyday communication. In almost everything we do, we use the internet. Ordering a pizza, buying a television, sharing a moment with a friend, sending a picture over instant messaging. Before the internet, if you wanted to keep up with the news, you had to walk down to the newsstand. But today, a click or two is enough to read your local paper, and goes on like this. The second part of the essay is the main body. After the introductory paragraph, make a smooth transition to the main body of your essay. This is the part where you provide supporting examples, facts, and arguments. A good body should support the statement you've made in your introduction. The main body should be divided into 3 paragraphs. Check out the example for a better understanding. Your first paragraph must be like this. The internet is no longer concerned with information exchange alone. It enables individuals to create content, communicate with one another, and even escape reality. Today, we can send data from one end of the world to the other in a matter of seconds, make online presentations, and use pictures, video, sound, and text to share our real lives, our genuine identity, and blah blah blah. Here is the second paragraph. Ours is a networked, globalized society connected by new technologies. The internet is the tool we use to interact with one another and, accordingly, poses new challenges to privacy and security, and goes on like this. Our third paragraph is we are not tied to any single specific device, and everything is in the cloud. People no longer spend hours gazing at a computer screen after work or class. Instead, they use their mobile devices to stay online everywhere, all the time. And you should carry on like this. Note that while writing the body, keep the following things in mind. Focus on a single point in each of your 3 body paragraphs. Provide supporting examples, facts, and arguments. Make smooth transitions between paragraphs. Where appropriate, explain the value and importance of your arguments. Here is the third part of the essay. The conclusion is the last but not the least part of your essay. Never end your essay abruptly. Take time to beautifully conclude your work. Make sure that the last paragraph of your essay is simple and summarizes the main idea of your writing piece, not presents new points and opinions. This is a vital aspect of your essay, so it shouldn't be underestimated. Check out the example for a good conclusion. As we have seen, the internet has changed everyday life. It operates at a personal level and throughout the structure of society. The internet makes it possible for an unlimited number of people to communicate with one another freely and easily in an unrestricted way. So friends, this was all about how to write an essay. If you like the video, just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See ya!